Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add custom fonts to WordPress using an Elementor plugin. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in WordPress, click on the create an account option. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with your Apple account, your GitHub. You can also use your business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, adding fonts to WordPress can significantly enhance the design and visual appeal of your website because custom fonts allows you to maintain brand consistency across all the marketing materials. Obviously, using the same fonts as your logo, print materials, and other branding elements helps reinforce your brand identity and creates a cohesive experience for your visitors. Now, if you are tired of using the template or the stock fonts here in Elementor, now we can simply add a custom fonts. There are multiple websites that you can download different types of fonts. It's free, and I suggest you go here at this website. It's called 1001 font, and all you have to do is just choose the font that you are interested in. Maybe there's a lot, but let's try to check some image here that's interesting and creative. Maybe I'm gonna use this one, Gloria Roca. All I have to do is click on the download option here. Now, once it's downloaded, we need to go to our Elementor page. Now, go here in the Elementor plugin here in the WordPress. Click on Elementor, right? Because from here, click on it, and as you can see, there's an option for you to add a custom font. Now, all you're gonna do is click on it, and before you can proceed, click on upgrade now. Now, the next step is once we go to the custom font on Elementor, we need to convert the downloaded file here in a specific website called Font Converter. Now, this font converter allows you to convert many font formats, including rare ones, to the most popular format today, such as TTF, OTF, WOFF, and others. Because in Elementor plugin, once you put the custom fonts, they will need for you to upload a WFF file, or also known as the Web Open Font Format, the WFF2, which is the Web Open Font Format 2, the TTF, which we have downloaded earlier, the TrueType fonts, and SVG, which is another file format, and an EOT file, or Embedded Open Type. Now, that means Elementor requires you to add font variations on your website, so we need to convert all the files here. All right, so what we need to do is drag and drop the files here and convert all of this into this file format. All right, so let's do that. As you can see, I already downloaded the TTF, and just click on download, and we'll do the rest for the different file formats. It's the same process here, WOFF. Okay, so we have the folder here. Click on it, drag and drop, and click on download. And just for the OTF, drag and drop the file right here, and click on download. And for the last file, all you have to do is drag and drop the file and click on download. Now, once we do all of that, we need to go to the left side panel of our dashboard again and click on pages. Now, you can add a new page, or you can simply click on the all pages that you are currently working on so that you can use the custom fonts, right? Maybe let's check the all pages. Or if you wanted, just add a new page. But it doesn't matter because all we have to do is just put the custom fonts. But for now, maybe I'm gonna use this one right here. Or the this template. All they have to do is click on publish. We don't need this stuff. Now click on publish. Just wait a little bit. And it's updating, as you can see the status. When it's done, click on edit with Elementor. You would be directed to a new page. Alright, so this is how you add the custom fonts to WordPress. Now, all you have to do is click on... Now, once you're here, just click on the pencil icon so that you can add the custom font file. Click on it. Once you've done that, go to style, and from here click on the typography, the pencil icon again. And from here, all I have to do, alright, is just search for the added text or the added custom fonts that we have downloaded and converted here on Elementor. Alright. Now, in the event that you can't see the file here, we need to re-download the file or another file format, and of course convert that again, because probably you might have uploaded the corrupted file. So that happens. It's very rare, but it still happens. But you also have an option here where you can create a new global font. All right, and as you can see, you can customize the new global font setting. When you create that option, that means you can custom add another typography here, and you already created a new global font. All right, so basically, using custom fonts, you are not limited to the default font options provided by WordPress or theme developers. You can choose from thousands of fonts available on platforms like Google Fonts. So this is another platform where you can choose the custom fonts that could align with your brand and design preferences. All right, so I always use this a lot, and I'm also using Adobe Fonts, right? So it allows me to find the perfect fonts that aligns with my brand and design preferences. Okay, now I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.